Welcome. This tutorial I'm going to show you how to get a free instant followers on TikTok. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. Okay, so first of all, you want to open your TikTok app, and then once you've done that, just go ahead and search for any famous users. So for example, Charlie. So just go ahead and go to her profile and follow her and any users that is famous. Okay, so just go ahead and follow them. So this may take a minute or two or longer than that, and you can also just visit any users, then follow again any users that is famous. So once you've done that, just go ahead and go to your profile and then go to your following, and now you just need to unfollow, follow. Okay, so this may really take a while. Okay, so just trust the process, then just follow them back and then unfollow them. So here, just unfollow, then follow. So you just want to repeat that process, and after a while you can get or gain some followers. So as of now, I don't have any followers, or as you can see here, I have followers now, right? So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one. Have a great day.